Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the Otter AI. Hey everyone, so Otter AI remains a powerhouse for real-time transcription, but in 2025 it is increasingly viewed as a tool for individuals rather than a complete enterprise solution. Its biggest strength is its speed and accessibility. The Otter Pilot bot joins Zoom, Teams, or Meet calls seamlessly, providing live captions and instant summaries that are generally accurate and quiet environments. The Chat AI or AI chat feature is a standout, allowing you to query past meetings, like what was the budget we agreed on without scrolling through text. However, honest reviews frequently cite two major frustrations: speaker misidentification and aggressive upsells. In multi-person meetings, Otter often struggles to distinguish voices, leading to speaker 1 or speaker 2 confusion that requires manual cleanup. Furthermore, the tier is quite restrictive, with a 30-minute meeting cap and only 300 minutes per month. While it's best set it and forget it note taker for students and freelancers, power users may find the $100 plus annual tax for the Pro plan steep compared to newer competitors like Fathom or Fireflies.